Discover the allure of fine, handcrafted gold jewelry that elevates your style and leaves a lasting impression. Maison Repossi is renowned for its bold, architectural, and avant-garde designs, offering exquisitely versatile pieces perfect for both everyday moments and extraordinary occasions. As an authorized retailer of Repossi, Les Ambassadeurs provides an extensive selection of its latest creations, including curated pieces from the Antifer, Serti Sur, Vide, and Berbere collections. Explore our captivating video showcasing some of Repossi's extraordinary pieces to find one or two that might pique your interest. Visit our boutiques in Switzerland or explore our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch to unleash your personal style with meticulously crafted jewelry that will set you apart from the crowd. Repossi's captivating Antifer Collection is a true embodiment of the brand's design ethos, as it draws inspiration from contemporary art and Japanese essentialism. This unique collection expertly fuses rounded and angled elements, resulting in designs that are beautifully symmetrical and ultra-chic. Repossi's two-row Antifer bracelets are crafted in rose gold and come in a pavé diamond version. Its design brilliantly mixes smooth curves and sharp tips. If you're aiming for a trendy repertoire, these rings can be stacked to achieve that look or worn on their own as an everyday trinket you cannot leave home without. Should you want a statement piece around your finger, you can go for Antifer's 4-row rings, which are also made in rose gold and with a pavé diamond option. As a demonstration of Repossi's craftsmanship, each ring is made using a traditional wax casting technique, reworked and polished before being assembled at a precise angle. Empowering individuals to boldly embrace their true selves, Repossi encourages the expression of audacity and confidence with pieces like this. An 18-karat rose gold Antifer ring hoop earring designed with a 2-row silhouette and pin fastening. If you're looking for more dazzle, however, the earring also comes with a single-row version in rose gold that is accentuated with pavé diamond stem to secure it to the ear. At its core, the Antifer Collection embodies versatile elegance, adapting effortlessly to various styles and occasions. For those days you prefer to wear something subtle, you can pair that crisp white button-down shirt with this Antifer necklace set with diamonds that has a chain length of 45 centimeters. Repossi's Berbere Collection draws inspiration from the multi-line patterns of tattoos donned by nomads inhabiting the northern African desert, known as the Tuareg Berbers, and the signature, recurring lines of contemporary artist Donald Judd. Bold and graphic, these pieces make excellent everyday jewels that stay ever faithful to the collection's avant-garde spirit. Who said jewelry staples need to be subtle? This Berbere module ear cuff will surely turn heads with its rose gold double rows accentuated with a row of pavé diamonds. Worn on its own or paired with your go-to studs, this piece is a must-have for every chic dresser. For a more sophisticated, polished look, this Berbere mini earring with a single row set with diamonds will make the cut. Crafted in 18-karat rose gold, this earring features a pin system that makes it not only comfortable to wear, but also keeps it securely fastened. Another elegant addition to the collection is this Berbere module Pendant that is made in rose gold with one bar paved with diamonds. With a total chain length of 47 centimeters, the necklace can transform into a dramatic sautoir and just as easily turn back into a dainty necklace at 37 centimeters, thanks to its adjustment hoop. Meant to be worn like second skin, this Berbere chromatique ring features an elegant shape with 2 rows of contrasting widths, further refined by a hem of diamonds and a delicate nude lacquer. For a high-polished look, this 2-row Berbere module ring, with a row lined up with pavé diamonds, is a chic alternative. Whether you're leaning more towards the matte or gleaming version, both beautifully echo the multi-line motif drawn on the hands of the Tuareg people. This 3-row variation of the Berbere ring will complete your bold repertoire. The spectacular piece has been expertly handcrafted in Italy, a symmetrical trio of rings cast from lustrous rose gold. Style the ring solo or stack with similar toned pieces, this is a statement ring you will want to have in your collection. With the Serti Sur Vide collection, Repossi reinvents the floating diamond concept, a design that has been central to the Maison's aesthetic since its creation in 2014. This spectacular collection embodies Repossi's refined signature style, combining meticulous craftsmanship and precise research to achieve a timeless yet vanguard design. Melding the house's stringent specifications with its know-how, each stone was carefully selected to achieve this now iconic look. This contemporary 18-carat Serti Sur Vide chain rose gold bracelet comes adorned with a 0.25-carat pear-shaped diamond. Made in Italy with a delicate circle chain, the bracelet features a lobster fastening clasp and an adjustable length from 17 cm to 15 cm, ensuring that the piece sits perfectly and comfortably on the wrist. This Repossi Harvest earring, also from the Serti Sur Vide collection, blurs the lines between fine jewelry and architecture. The piece, which features a 0.18-carat pear-shaped diamond and a row of pavé diamonds, captivates with its robust profile. This earring is meant to be worn sideways on an open band so that the diamonds appear to float weightlessly above your ears. Rest assured, it features a pin system that safely secures the jewel. An unconventional and sophisticated piece, this necklace reinterprets the Serti Sur Vide design codes in a very refined way. The necklace features 4 pear-shaped diamonds and pavé diamonds in a 38.8 cm chain with a length that can be adjusted. This Serti Sur Vide ring is Repossi's breathtaking reinterpretation of the solitaire. Made in 18-carat rose gold, featuring a 0.30-carat pear-shaped floating diamond and a row paved with diamonds, this ring is simply divine. It also comes with a more stealth white gold version, which also features a 0.30-carat floating pear-shaped diamond, but made more subtle without the diamond-paved row. Dress to impress with this single Serti Sur Vide earring paved with diamonds and set with 2 pear-shaped diamonds of 0.30 and 0.20 carats. Sophisticated but surely not short of the wow factor, this piece, even when worn solo, will surely turn heads. If you're on the lookout for something even more imposing, you can opt for this magnificent Serti Sur Vide earring encrusted with diamonds and set with 3 pear-shaped diamonds, totaling 0.7 carats. Most of the masterfully crafted and brilliantly designed jewels by Maison Repossi featured in this video are priced between 660 and 17,860 Swiss francs. If you're one who is meticulous about their jewelry choices, placing quality, timelessness and value first, Maison Repossi has a lot to offer. Have you found a piece that speaks to your style and fashion aspirations? Please share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear from you. At Les Ambassadeurs, we always make sure that we have the latest pieces at our boutiques. If you haven't already, visit us at any of our 3 locations to discover Maison Repossi's range of jewels. Alternatively, you can also shop at our online store and take advantage of our flash delivery service. Jewelry purchased from Les Ambassadeurs' website can be delivered within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. So, if you need that piece in a hurry, we'll be at your door in a flash. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest jewelry reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.